Ayan, here is our problem. Let's read first. The volume of the soil sample measured before drying is 110 cubic centimeter. The wet weight of the soil is 207 gram and the dried weight of the soil is 163 grams. If the specific gravity of the soil is 2.68, determine the following. Ayan, so yung void ratio, degree of saturation, dry unit weight at zero air voids. Ayan. So, isulat natin yung given. Ayan. Ayan, malunggay pandesal. Malunggay pandesal, bili-bili na. So, ito given natin. So, given is equal to yan, yung volume. Masustansya pa. 110 cubic centimeter. Ayan, and then yung weight ng total weight ng soil sample natin or yung mass ng soil sample natin ay equal lang siya sa 207 grams. And then yung dried weight natin or dried soil or W sub S or mass natin, yung mass ng dried soil is equal to 163 grams. And then yung specific gravity G is equal to 2.68. Ayan. So, dito, pinapahanap sa atin yung tatlo, yung void ratio, degree of saturation, and dry unit weight at zero air voids. Ayan. So, una yung void ratio. So, void ratio. So, dito, isulat, yung gamitin natin is yung density. Ayan. So, yung density na formula. So, most of the time, diba, yung ginagamit natin is yung formula ng unit weight. So, dito yung density naman. So, pwede natin gamitin yon. So, moist density or rho sub m is equal to 1 plus yung moisture content times yung specific gravity divided by 1 plus E. And then yung density ng water. Ayan, so dito, same lang naman siya sa moist unit weight or the unit weight sa density na dito. So, same lang naman. So, pinagkaiba lang is yung density ng water. So, doon sa moist unit weight, yung tinatimes natin doon is yung unit weight ng water. So, dito, density ng water. Ayan. So, ang problema natin, wala tayong moist unit weight and then yung water content. So, una, kunin muna natin yung water content natin or the moisture content. Since, di ba, yung binigay is yung, di ba, yung formula natin, yung weight ng water divided by yung weight ng dry soil or yung mass ng water divided by sa mass ng dry soil natin. Ayan, so gamitin natin itong binigay. So, di ba, yung total weight ng soil sample natin, di ba, weight is equal to weight ng water plus yung weight ng soil natin, yung dry soil. Ayan, so ilabas natin. So, weight ng water is equal to total weight minus yung weight ng soil natin. Ayan. So, or, pwede natin gamitin yung mass. Yan. Yung mass ng water is equal to total mass minus dried mass ng soil natin. Ayan. So, dito, substitute natin dito. So, now, yung moisture content natin is equal to M minus M sub S divided by M sub S is equal to, ayan yung pinigay, 207 grams yung total mass ng soil sample natin minus yung dried mass ng soil sample natin is 163 divided by 163. Ayan, so yung water content natin is equal to 0.27 or in percent, that is 27%. So, now, nakuha na natin yung water content and then kunin ngayon natin yung moist density. Ayan. So, pwede natin gamitin yung density is equal to mass divided by yung volume. Ayan. Is equal to 207 grams divided by 100 cubic centimeter. Ayan. So, divide natin. So, makuha natin yung moist density natin. So, that is 1.8 3 decimal places na tayo. 882 gram per cubic centimeter, or ayan, cc is cubic centimeter yan. Ayan, so pwede na nating makuha yung void ratio. So isalpak na lang natin yung mga nakuha nating value. Ayan, so 1.882 gram per cc is equal to 1 plus 0.27 times ito 2. Times 2.68. 2.68 to yung specific gravity natin. So 2.68 divided by 1 plus E. And then yung density natin in terms of gram per cubic centimeter, that is 1 gram per cubic centimeter. So yan yung density ng water in terms of gram per cc. 1 gram per cc. Yan yung density ng water natin. 1 gram per cc. Ayan. So yung ginagawa natin, so distribute natin yung 1 plus E. So that is 1.822 gram per cc plus 1.822 gram per cc E. Or tanggalin na lang natin yung gram per cc. Ayan, so makakancel lang din naman since i-divide natin siya sa 1 gram per cc. Ayan, so divided by 1. Ayan, so makakancel yung yung unit natin. So and then 1 plus 0.27 times 2.68, so that is 3.4036. Ayan, so simplify natin. So lipat natin sa kabila, 3.4036 minus 1.882. So and then divide natin both side ng 1.882 para ma-cancel yan. Para matira is yung void ratio natin. So cancel. So compute. So yung void ratio natin 0.81 or 81%. Ayan. So yan yung void ratio ng soil sample natin. So 81%. So 0.81 or 81%. Ayan. Next is degree of saturation. So dito pwede natin gamitin yung GWES. Ayan. So since nakuha naman na natin yung water content and then yung void ratio natin, so pwede na natin gamitin yung GWES since binigay naman yung specific gravity na ito, 2.68. Yan, so GWES. So direct substitute na lang natin. So 2.68 times 0.27 is equal to yung void ratio na 0.81 times yung S or the degree of saturation. Ayan, so compute yung degree of saturation natin, that is 0.893 or 89.3%. So yan yung degree of saturation natin. And next, dry unit weight at zero air voids or gamma SAV or gamma ZAV. Ayan, so yung formula ng dry unit weight natin at zero air voids, so letter C, ayan, yan letter C, yan yung gamma zero air voids natin. So pwede natin gamitin na formula, that is yung formula natin, so G times yung unit weight ng water divided by 1 plus moisture content times yung specific gravity. So is equal to 2.68 times 9.81 times 9.81 divided by 1 plus 0.27 times 2.68 times 2.68. Ayan. Compute, ayan, times 2.68. And then compute natin, so makukuha natin dyan is 15.253. Ayan. So 3 decimal places na lang tayo. 15.253 kilonewton per cubic meter yung sagot natin for dry unit weight at zero air void. So yan yung mga sagot natin for this problem.